You are watching Markets for You, a daily video cast that covers market news and shares trading signals from experts. I'm Stephanie. First, the US dollar. The dollar recovered on Friday after a fall in initial jobless claims on the previous day, combined with strong fundamentals and more hawkish inflation outlook, increased the possibility the Fed might tighten monetary policy sooner than expected. The greenback ended the day at 1.3599 to the euro and 102.06 to the yen. Today's data includes manufacturing PMI in June, which is forecast to 56, and existing home sales, which is expected to show a 1.9% increase in May. Next, to the euro. The euro traded mixed on Friday after data showed a fall in factory gate prices, which led to expectations of more aggressive monetary policy from the ECB. This offset recent rises due to increased demand from international investors for Eurozone sovereign bonds. The single currency ended the day at 1.3599 to the dollar and 0.7991 to the pound. Today's data includes Eurozone manufacturing and services PMIs, which are expected to remain at 52.2 and 53.2 respectively in June. British pound. The pound fell from 5 years highs on Friday after figures showed the government had to borrow more than expected to meet its spending needs in May, with the amount rising to 13.3 billion compared to the much lower 8.7 billion estimated. Sterling ended the day at 1.7010 to the dollar and 0.7991 to the euro. Japanese yen. The yen fell on Friday after positive data from Canada showing higher than expected sales and inflations helped support an increase in financial market risk appetite, which resulted in a drop in safety flows to the Japanese currency. The yen ended the day at 102.06 to the dollar and 173.60 to the pound. And now the section you've been waiting for, market tips. Forex4you in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provides you daily trading signals from the experts of the field. If your pair is euro versus US dollar, our preference is to open long positions above 1.356 with targets at 1.363 and 1.365 in extension, below 1.356, which will look for further downside with 1.3535 and 1.351 as targets. If you trade British pound against US dollar, our preference is to open long positions above 1.7 with targets at 1.706 and 1.709 in extension, below 1.7, which will look for further downside with 1.698 and 1.695 as targets. If your pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open long positions above 101.85 with targets at 102.15 and 102.3 in extension, below 101.85, which will look for further downside with 101.7 and 101.6 as targets. Good luck and happy trading! Tune in tomorrow for the latest market news and trading tips. I'm Stephanie and you've been watching Markets for You. Have a great day!